Good Thursday afternoon, Hail Stalkers. This is Derek Klein coming to you from the Hail Palace today, watching the forecast for your Thursday afternoon for potentially up to a moderate threat for some severe hail, some of it fairly large as we go through the afternoon hours. The area that we're going to be focusing on today is going to be across parts of Nebraska and parts of Kansas. So let's go ahead and jump right on into the forecast. Take a look at what we expect to happen as we go through your Thursday afternoon. So again, Thursday, September the 10th, here's the area of focus that we have again across parts of Nebraska and Kansas. Taking a look here, you can see maybe even stretching a few isolated storms with some hail across Missouri and Illinois. Not expecting a lot of real big activity out of this, but mainly back here across parts of Kansas into Nebraska and then down into the Oklahoma, Texas panhandle. We could have some severe weather. This is going to be our main area of focus though, right here across southern central Nebraska down into north central and potentially as far east as northeastern Kansas. That's going to be the area where we expect potentially for up to 2-inch hail. So these storms will get fired up in the afternoon, particularly across parts of southern Nebraska, very close to the I-80 corridor. That's going to be the area that we're going to watch these storms develop, and then they will move off to the south and east as we go through the afternoon hours. So let's take a look at what that means for each of your individual cities across this forecast area. So as we go through the afternoon hours, here's what we're expecting. So Kearney, Nebraska here, 4 to 9 p.m., you're going to be the first in line for these thunderstorms. They're going to develop somewhere right around you or potentially just to your south. So model trends this morning have been to back this area up just a little bit, and so that's put you in the risk area. So let's take a look at the forecast here. Again, the largest hail will probably occur around this area or just to the south. So potentially for up to 2-inch hail. And again, 30% chance for that large hail this afternoon. So we're going moderate risk on the size and the chance of hail. And in Kearney, around 65 mile per hour winds possible with some of the stronger storms. So again, from 4 to 9 p.m., 30% chance of quarter-size hail or larger with the potential up to tennis ball size hail across this area. And as we dive off to the south and east, we're going to take a look at Topeka, Kansas. A little bit later in the afternoon, we're going to go 6 to 11 p.m., but hail up to 2-inch in diameter is possible around Topeka. This includes areas around Manhattan, Salina, Kansas as well. And the chance of hail just a tad lower, but we're still going to go moderate risk in this area, around 25% chance for some large hail. That's quarter size or larger. And we could have some winds up around 65, maybe even 70 miles per hour as these have a tendency to turn into more of a wind event as we go through the evening hours across parts of Kansas. And we didn't want to leave you folks out in Kansas City here. The chance is a little bit lower. The size is also a little bit lower. So we're going to go slight risk in Kansas City, but potentially up to golf ball size hail, around a 15% chance for that hail. And wind driven, we could have a little bit more wind, especially to the south of Kansas City, where winds could gust up to 70 miles per hour. And again, from around 6 to 10 p.m. across parts of Kansas City. So that's a look at your forecast as we go through the afternoon hours. Again, not a big area, but the area could have some very large hail. And as always, if you have any questions, if there's anything we can do for you at Hail Trace, make sure to give us a call, 855-334-4245, or you can get a hold of us via email at info@hailtrace.com. We hope you have a great day.